Behold the 2026 Bollinger B2, rugged, electric work truck. This silver beast blends raw utility with electrified power, dominating work sites from Michigan to Texas. With boxy design and relentless capability, it's Bollinger's ultimate electric workhorse. Join us as we explore its rugged aesthetics, minimalist cabin, and unmatched strength. Let's dive into Bollinger's electric powerhouse. Exterior design. The 2026 Bollinger B2, a 208-inch chassis cab, commands any worksite. Its front end features vertical LED headlights, a minimalist grille with B2 badge, and a military-grade aluminum body. The side profile showcases 17-inch steel wheels and a full-length pass-through cargo system. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, it's engineered for extreme durability. At the rear, LED taillights and a 6-foot bed with closed gates support 16-foot cargo. Colors like silver, black, and olive green radiate rugged simplicity. Compared to the Hummer EV2X and Rivian R1T performance, the B2 prioritizes payload and utility over luxury, though range is shorter. In silver, it's a workhorse whether hauling in Montana or parked in Detroit. This electric truck redefines rugged for 2026. Interior features. Step into the 2026 Bollinger B2's 5-seat cabin with black vinyl seats, B2 stitching, and a utilitarian dashboard complementing the silver exterior. A 10-screen touchscreen with work-focused UI and an analog-style digital gauge cluster deliver essential control. The basic audio system prioritizes function over flair. The front seats, wrapped in vinyl with B2 logos, are durable and easy to clean. Aluminum trim accents reinforce the no-nonsense aesthetic. The 6-foot bed with full-length pass-through supports 5,000 pounds of payload, unmatched by the Hummer or R1T. Without a frunk, the B2 focuses on work-ready storage for tools and cargo. Performance and technology. The 2026 Bollinger B2 boasts a dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivering 614 horsepower, a 120 kilowatt-hour battery, and a 320-mile EPA range. It tows up to 7,500 pounds and hits 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, with 35-inch all-terrain tires and 15-inch ground clearance for rugged terrain. Its 100 kW DC charging adds 60 miles in 10 minutes. Locking differentials and adjustable ride height, 10 to 20 inches, optimize off-road work. A basic camera system and over-the-air updates ensure reliable performance on tough job sites. Compared to the Hummer EV2X, 1,000 horsepower and 350 miles, and the Rivian R1T Performance, 835 horsepower, 350 miles, the B2 excels in payload and simplicity, though power and range are lower. Its chassis dominates work sites in 2026. Pricing and release info. The 2026 Bollinger B2 starts at $110,000 in the US and $145,000 Canadian in Canada. Built in Oak Park, USA, deliveries begin summer 2026. With rugged utility and electrified strength, it's a worker's dream. Check BollingerMotors.com for details. This B2 is unstoppable. The 2026 Bollinger B2 is a rugged electric work truck, blending utility with power. It's Bollinger's triumph. Next up, the 2026 Hummer EV2X, all-terrain electric monster. Smash that like button, subscribe to Future Cars and Concepts, and comment, would you drive this electric truck? Catch you in the electric future.